Okay, ladies and gents, a most pleasant good morning to each and every one of you. Good morning. As I welcome you to the most relaxing, most distressing, wonderful world of laughter yoga. Sa umagang ito, isang napakasaya at humahalakhak na umaga sa inyong lahat. By now, most of you have watched, have seen, have experienced, or must have read about laughter yoga. Sino nakarinig na, nakabasa, nakapanood sa TV? Very good. I started laughter yoga since about this time in 2007. And I'm just very glad that laughter yoga is spreading like wildfire in our country. But before we do laughter yoga exercises, marami kasi ang nagtatanong, LD, saan ba nanggaling ang laughter yoga? Saan ba ito nagsimula? Ladies and gents, my friends, laughter yoga was founded by an Indian medical doctor, si Dr. Madam Kataria, in March of 1995. He was then doing a research on the benefits of laughter when he stumbled upon a book titled Health and Emotions. He was able to correlate the direct relationship between emotions and the state of health of an individual. And with the help of his wife, who was a long-time yoga instructor, they put together the benefits of laughter plus some yoga breathing and stretching exercises. Friends, from a core group of 5 in 1995, we are happy to tell you that laughter yoga has now several thousand laughter yoga clubs operating in over 65 countries. And to entice you, wala kasi yung ating video, to entice you to give all you can to this morning session of laughter yoga, let me cite to you the benefits that laughter yoga dishes out. 1, it lifts depression. Can you please repeat after me para mag-sink in? Lifts depression. Second, it boosts the immune system.
It boosts the immune system.
Friends, it might interest you to know, since I did laughter yoga, magagaling ako ng doktor sa akin, hindi pa ako nagkasipon, hindi pa ako nagkalagnat. Kahit na-expose ako sa isang SINI virus for 4 hours, hindi rin ako nahawa because I do laughter yoga by myself kung wala akong sessions. Okay? Boost the immune system. Di ba yata kayo sabi nun? Boost the immune system. Reduces cholesterol level.
Reduces cholesterol level.
Again, iba, medyo na ano yung tongue. Reduces cholesterol level.
Reduces cholesterol level.
Clears the air passages.
Clears the air passages.
Brings down reduced stress levels.
Brings down reduced stress level.
Cultivates positivism.
Cultivates positivism.
And enhances optimism.
Enhances optimism.
You see, those are the 7 multi-healthy benefits of laughter yoga. Titingin lang ako sa aking colleague ko, parang hindi naman ako ma-stress. We are here to enjoy, right? Okay! Friends, in laughter yoga, you clap. That's the traditional way of clapping. Yan ang natutunan natin. But in laughter yoga, friends, put your fingers together, clasp them in front of your heart, clap to the rhythm of 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Let me explain. When you clap the laughter yoga way, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, you touch acupressure points on your palms that push the energy to your body. Okay? Kaya ako, when I feel low back, I resort to this. 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, dagdagan naman natin ng hu, hu, ha, ha, ha. Come on, everyone. Hu, hu, ha, ha, ha. Hu, hu, ha, ha, ha. Hu, hu, ha, ha, ha. What did you notice?
Breathing.
The lowering and the rising of your diaphragm. Friends, any rhythmic movement of the diaphragm is good for the overall well-being of a person. Kaya, let's do hu-hu, ha-ha-ing with the laughter yoga clapping. Okay, let's keep moving. Hu-hu, ha-ha-ha.